Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty and Fortnite, clarifying that they are separate gaming experiences. Many players wonder if these popular titles can be combined, but they are distinct games from different developers. Think of them as two unique worlds, each with its own rules and adventures. We'll explore how to access and enjoy each one individually, ensuring you get the most out of your gaming time. To play Call of Duty, you'll need to acquire one of its many titles, often available on major gaming platforms like personal computers, PlayStation, and Xbox. There are both premium releases and free-to-play options, such as Warzone, which you can download directly. Once installed, you can dive into intense multiplayer matches, complete objective-based missions, or experience thrilling single-player campaigns. It's known for its realistic combat and fast-paced action. Fortnite, on the other hand, is a vibrant, free-to-play battle royale sensation. You can easily download it on a wide range of devices, including personal computers, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and even mobile phones. After installation, you'll jump into a colorful world where 100 players compete to be the last one standing. It uniquely blends shooting mechanics with a creative building system, offering a distinct and engaging gameplay loop. While you cannot play Call of Duty within Fortnite, both games provide incredible entertainment value. Each title has its own dedicated community, unique events, and distinct gameplay mechanics. You can easily enjoy both by simply downloading and installing them separately on your preferred gaming platform. Whether you prefer the tactical combat of Call of Duty or the creative chaos of Fortnite, there's a world of fun waiting for you in each game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.